Welcome to TrueHost Academy. Are you thinking about starting an online business? With platforms like Amazon and Flipkart, you can tap into the vast world of e-commerce and reach millions of customers. But where do you begin? Don't worry. In today's video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to start your online business using Amazon and Flipkart. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the giants of e-commerce, Amazon and Flipkart. Amazon is a global leader in online shopping, offering everything from books to electronics. With its massive customer base and convenient fulfillment by Amazon FBA service, it's an excellent platform for reaching customers worldwide. On the other hand, Flipkart is the go-to platform in India, providing a user-friendly interface for local sellers to reach over 450 million users. It's ideal if you're targeting the rapidly growing Indian market. Both platforms offer unique opportunities, so let's dive into how you can start selling on them. Section 1. Selling on Amazon. Let's start with selling on Amazon. Step 1. Choose a selling plan. With Amazon, you have two options, the individual plan or the professional plan. The individual plan is ideal if you're testing the waters and expect to sell fewer than 40 items per month. But if you're aiming for more, the professional plan offers advanced features like bulk listing and advertising for a flat monthly fee. Step 2. Create a Seller Central account. Next, you'll need to create a Seller Central account. The process is straightforward. Just head to the Amazon Seller Central website, click on Register Now, and follow the prompts. Make sure you have your business email, bank details, and tax information ready. Step 3. Configure your Seller Central account. Once your account is set up, it's time to configure it. Fill in your business details accurately and accept Amazon's terms and conditions. This is crucial for ensuring smooth operations and avoiding any compliance issues. Step 4. Understand the product detail page. Now let's talk about your product detail page. This is where you'll list your products, so it's important to get it right. Make sure your product title is clear and includes relevant keywords. High quality images are a must, and your description should be detailed and compelling. Remember, optimizing your product details can greatly improve your visibility on Amazon. Step 5. Boost engagement with better listings. Want to stand out? Boost your engagement by creating compelling product listings. Use bullet points for key features, incorporate relevant keywords, and make sure your images and descriptions are top-notch. These small details can make a big difference in attracting customers. Section 2. Selling on Flipkart. Now, if you're selling on Flipkart, the journey is just as exciting. Step 1. Create an account. Start by creating your seller account. It's a quick process that takes about 10 minutes. You'll need documents like your GST number and bank details. Step 2. List your products. Once your account is set up, list your products with high-quality images and detailed descriptions to capture customer interest. Step 3. Receive orders and fulfill them on time. Managing orders and shipping is critical. Flipkart offers various logistics services to help you streamline the process. By using Flipkart's logistics, you can reduce costs and improve delivery times, ensuring a positive experience for your customers. Step 4. Shipping and payment. And finally, let's talk about getting paid. Flipkart processes payments shortly after your product is dispatched, usually within 7 to 15 days. This ensures a steady cash flow as you scale your business. And there you have it. Starting an online business with Amazon and Flipkart might seem overwhelming, but with the right steps, you can set up a successful store in no time. So what are you waiting for? Take that first step today and join the e-commerce revolution. The future of retail is digital. Make sure you're part of it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building your online business with TrueHost Academy. See you in the next video.